You searched how to buy shares of Stabilis Solutions Inc., a company working in the liquefied natural gas infrastructure and fueling sector. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SLNG, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by providing an identity document, and you will need to add funds before buying. Use the broker's search box and enter the ticker SLNG to find the company listing. Make sure you select the result that shows Stabilis Solutions Inc. on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing. Check the ticker SLNG and the NASDAQ exchange label to ensure this is the right asset. To invest, click Buy, choose the amount or number of shares you want, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit order, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before the trade completes. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. For the example, link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this walkthrough.